Question number 6. Cos x power y equal to cos y power x and find the value of dy upon dx. क्या हुआ सुधीर? Never seen this kind of question? Okay. फिर कोई बात नहीं. Not this one. Question is given here. Cos x power y equal to cos y power x. Okay. Just remember, when you just see the power is y x, that is variable power is there. Okay. If we know that if the power is constant, suppose x power n, formula is n into x power n minus 1. N is the constant value. If the power is variable, that is x or y, we will take here logarithm function. Okay. So now taking log both sides, we have okay, the formula of log m power n is n log m. Differentially, log m power n formula is n into log m. Okay, and log m into n formula is log m plus log n. Okay, I took this formula here. Look at here only, log m power n, my formula will get here y log cos x x log cos y. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, we have this one is u, this one is b. Formula of dy dx, so if we formula is u into dy dx of b plus b into dx of u. Okay, this one is u, this part is v. The formula will be here u derivative of b plus b derivative part of u equal to same way here, also same ev formula, same u part of x. Okay, log x formula is 1 by, very good, 1 by x means cos x part is there. Now again dy dx of cos x means, very good, minus sin x, finish this part here. Same dy dx will be dy upon dx equal to x log x part is 1 by x, and here see dy dx of cos means minus sin, very good, y left means dy upon plus cos and dy dx of x will be 1. We can do one thing, find this value now. Here will be minus sin by cos, sin x by cos x. किसने बोला? Last bench. Sin x by cos x formula is 10x. Very good. So y 10x plus dy upon dx equal to same way sin by cos 10x dy upon dx into 10y plus log cos y. Taking common this part, we will get here dy upon dx log cos x will be plus x into equal to log cos y. This part will move this side, this part will get here, plus y into tan x. Okay, let's copy it now. For now, dy upon dx equal to this divide this, so log of cos y plus y into tan x upon log of cos x plus x tan y. This is the required answer. Any problem? हाँ निहारिका, कहाँ पे? इस पार्ट पे? ओके. log cos x dy dx minus x dy dx tan y. dy dx part move left hand side. Okay, so dy dx part and dy dx part common, left log cos x plus x tan y. Okay, so to find the value of dy dx, we will do this, divide this part, this upon this. This is the answer. Clear? Very good. Copy it now.